Good morning, traders, and welcome to the Daily Call today, Thursday, the 16th of November. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened overnight. Apart from the fact that the Australian soccer team has qualified for the World Cup, and my voice is a little bit hoarse this morning. From the UK, we had the GBP been trading in a pretty tight range over the past 2 weeks, and the trend continued overnight as the average earnings came in very close to forecast at 2.2%. Governor Carney is due to speak later tonight, and his comments may affect the sterling and the way that it trades, and if it moves out of that tight range. So keep a lookout on that one. From the US dollar went in both directions yesterday as investors were basically digesting the data released overnight, and that was CPI, retail sales, and crude oil all coming in very close to the forecast. In the end, the US yen did drop, helping one of our earlier trades hit target, and now currently trading at 112.80. So that was pretty much it for yesterday, the major news. It's time to have a look at our chart of the day for today. And what I found for us this morning is it's the Aussie yen. If you have a look at the chart that I'm showing you right now, I'm on a daily time scale here, and you can see that it's potentially what we would probably call a bit of a double bottom. It's not the most classic double bottom. It's the best chart that I could find for us this morning, something of interest, something to have a look at. What I will show you is when I zoom in on the same chart and I focus on a 4-hour version of the chart, I can see that at the same support level, I do have an inside candle forming. Now, I believe the candle has just switched over. So when you look at this, you will have one extra candle on the side, and then basically you can try and attempt to trade the inside candle if this is something that you like. Okay, so that is our chart of the day. It's the Aussie yen. It's a support level, and it's zoomed in on a 4-hour to try and find an entry point for us. Right, let's have a look at what's coming up in the session that is about to unfold for us. We have at 11:30 locally employment change and employment rate in Australia. At 8:30 we have from the UK retail sales. Just after midnight at 12:30 from the US unemployment claims, and tentatively no scheduled time Mr. Carney will be speaking, as I already mentioned. There you have it. That's all that we have on the session on the cards that I was about to commence. As always, guys, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you'll have a fantastic trading day. I'll talk to you tomorrow for the Daily Call. Bye for now.